Once upon a time, in a small town nestled deep within the rolling hills, there lived a young man named Jake. He was full of life, dreams, and endless possibilities. But little did he know that his life was about to take a dark and dangerous turn. Jake grew up in a loving family, surrounded by warmth and support. However, as he entered his teenage years, he found himself drawn to the wrong crowd. Peer pressure and a desire to fit in led him down a treacherous path toward drug addiction. It started innocently enough, with Jake experimenting with substances at parties and gatherings. At first, it was just for fun, a temporary escape from the stresses of teenage life. But soon, the allure of the drugs began to grip him tightly, sinking its poisonous claws deep into his soul. What began as occasional recreational use soon turned into a full-blown addiction. Jake found himself consumed by the need for the next fix, unable to break free from the vicious cycle. His life spiraled out of control as he became entangled in a web of lies, deceit, and self-destruction. As his addiction took hold, Jake's relationships with family and friends began to crumble. His once bright future faded into darkness, overshadowed by the relentless pursuit of drugs. He became a mere shell of the vibrant young man he used to be, lost in a haze of desperation and despair. But amidst the chaos, a glimmer of hope emerged. One day, as Jake hit rock bottom, he found himself at a crossroads. He had a choice to make: continue down the destructive path that would inevitably lead to his demise, or fight for his life and reclaim his future. Driven by a flicker of determination, Jake sought help. He reached out to a rehabilitation center and embarked on a journey of recovery. The road to healing was long and arduous, filled with withdrawal symptoms, therapy sessions, and moments of intense craving. Yet, with each passing day, Jake's strength grew, and he discovered an inner resilience he never knew he had. During his recovery, Jake connected with others who had battled addiction, forming a support system that would become his lifeline. He learned to confront the underlying issues that had fueled his addiction, addressing deep-rooted emotional pain and trauma. Through therapy and self-reflection, he began to rebuild his shattered identity, piece by piece. As the months turned into years, Jake's transformation was nothing short of remarkable. He not only broke free from the grip of addiction but also found a new purpose in life. He dedicated himself to helping others overcome their own struggles, sharing his story as a beacon of hope and inspiration. Today, Jake stands tall as a symbol of resilience and triumph over adversity. He works tirelessly in his community, raising awareness about drug addiction, advocating for accessible treatment options, and supporting those in need. His journey serves as a reminder that no matter how dark the path may seem, there is always a glimmer of light that can guide us toward recovery. The story of Jake's battle with drug addiction is a powerful testament to the human spirit's capacity for redemption. It highlights the importance of support, compassion, and perseverance in overcoming the deadliest of challenges. Through Jake's story, we are reminded that addiction does not define a person, and recovery is always possible for those who dare to seek it.